Hardwood floors, the first objection that you've got to cash is if a glass of water got spilled on your hardwood floors, what would you do? Get a towel and just wipe it up? It wouldn't hurt them? Okay, well, here's the attachment for hardwood floors and that. Here, but here's the neat thing about it is, because I talked to you earlier about it, you use a Swiffer. Here, fill that, and you feel the air being pulled through it. See, that's rainbow style. That's a rainbow Swiffer. So what you can do is you just go over and it's picking everything up, but your husband went and spilled some coffee, or the dog slobbered. You can just take and put a small squirt like that. You can dampen the mop. Now you've got a dry dust mop. It'll pick up all the dust, all the hair, all the dander, and everything, and it's done. See, it's all picked it up. That's how you do it. That's the way you do your hardwood floors. That's the way you do your that. So instead of having to mop 3 times a week, once you've got it clean, you're not dragging as much in. You could basically use this. And when you really want to clean once a week, once every 2 weeks, that's when you do the vacuum and mopping together. But this is the one you do after that. That's the one that's got a bigger footprint. You can fly through the house. You're done like that. Make sense? Okay, now if you get into a house that has, this is for teaching purposes only, not in a demo. If you get in with it has porcelain or it has ceramic, you're going to have to pull this out to dry that because it won't be dry. It'll be as slick as snot. And you don't want to leave that water in that. And if it's not picking up all the water off the grout, you need to pull this one out and let it dry it. And that's the one you need to do. And the epoxy or the stained cement or anything like that, this is the one you want to use on it. But see, that one there is to get it clean. Okay, now if you only mop once every 2 weeks, you can use that once a month because you're not leaving the chemicals. It's not sticky anymore. My recommendation with the electric mop is put 1 cap full of vinegar in it because then you don't leave a residue. Matter of fact, if you want to know how to strip grout, it'll tell you to use vinegar on Google. Make sense?